Dryce Walker here, explaining something else to you. Here is the drainage line coming from the AC. And if you notice, there are two pipes, one right under the window and one at the corner of the building. That one on the corner of the building is dripping right now because the AC is running right now. That means that the AC is working properly and you have the condensation being directed to the exterior of the house through that pipe. Now, what if this pipe starts dripping? That means that there is something wrong with your unit. And the line that was supposed to be dripping, that one is not. And it's telling you you should call someone to fix your AC. And if you don't, and this line keeps dripping, the next stage is water pouring into a pan under the unit upstairs. And this house is upstairs at the attic. That's not a good outcome. So if you see water dripping right in front of your window, call your AC company and ask them to troubleshoot what's wrong with it. They will most likely find out that there's something is blocking the drainage line. And it's simple, you're gonna pay a service call and saves your house. Again, Dryce Walker explaining things to you with explanation. Until next time.